Today, we're going to slice, season, and bake. Today we're making a very simple and incredibly delicious dish: baked cod fillet with lemon and rosemary. For this dish, we'll need the following ingredients. Cut the lemon into wedges. Grease a baking dish with olive oil. Arrange the lemon wedges on the bottom of the baking dish. Season the cod fillet with salt and black pepper on both sides. Rub the spices evenly into the fish. Drizzle the fillet with olive oil. Place the fillet on top of the lemon wedges in the baking dish. Place the rosemary sprigs on top of the fish. Bake for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Spoon the pan juices over the cooked fish before serving. Enjoy your meal! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new recipes.